Okay. Seems to be going. Okay, so today, in this video, I'll be showing you silly little bad players that ultrakill on how to hack, because fuck you, I guess. And it's not like no clip or anything. Basically, I'm gonna do some comments because, yeah, let's do it on servers. Basically, it's pretty simple. You need to get cheat engine first. Yeah. So in harmless, your health is 200, but in I think any other difficulty, so just type in your health and now health. You need to put in here 180. Until it's just one value, and then once you got this, you need to change it to whatever you want, like 10,000 or something. So basically, you shouldn't do this unless you are a sword. That's how you can make your health way too big. Whatever the fuck this number is. Yeah, you need to do this every single level so you can't just repeat it over and over.